to Adrice's do-it-yourself project. I'm about to take this old, beat-up fire pit, and it has holes in it. I'm gonna make it a flower pot, y'all. And I'm gonna use some of this Rust-Oleum spray paint that you can use on metal. Shake, shake, shake. Good stuff. Now we gonna let it dry. I put some plastic on the bottom. I'm going to dig up some dirt and put on the bottom of this, and it has plastic around to fill the holes in this old broken up fire pit. Rusted out. Covered up with enough dirt. I'm going to use some Miracle-Gro potting mix to put on top. Then I'm going to put the flowers in. Break up the dirt real good in here. Here's another trade secret. Putting some ash, so we have a lot of ashes. They say that helps make it grow. They say that ash has potassium. And some garden dirt. There we go. That's gonna be so pretty. This DIY project only costs less than $20. And one of these deep end decors. I got this on sale for $10. You can't forget a spike. All right. So my DIY project, this old fire pit, rusted fire pit, some Rust-Oleum metal spray paint, some of my ashes from the fire pit for potassium, and some garden soil, some Miracle-Gro potting mix. I have one spike in there and a drop-in decor bucket. And all of this costs less than $20, y'all. And subscribe and like my channel, Adrice's Kitchen 69 and DIY Project. Hey, play with your old stuff. Make it look new. Time for a cold beer.